Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. This is a tree with a difference, well worth planting, and it's a really versatile tree. It's called a weeping pear or a willow-leafed silver pear. You can see it's just starting to unfold its silver foliage now. Really intense silver. It's got tiny white flowers as well. And it's a tree you can decide to let it grow as a very large tree, or you can take its leader out at this point here and just let it dome out into a mound of silver foliage. Left and right of a gate they look very well, or as a single solitary specimen. They're really tough, hardy tree. This is the time of year to plant the weeping pear. You dig a hole twice the depth of the pot. You put some super thrive planting fertilizer at the bottom, compost and soil on top, and the same bank in around, and it will need a little stake. And if you want it to grow higher, just make sure to stake it higher with a bamboo cane so you can decide how high you want to let it grow. But it's well worth finding a spot for. Silver foliage looks very well, and of course the tiny white flowers in spring are colourful as well, but mainly grown for its silver foliage like that. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.